Hey guys, this is Will and welcome to Android Thursdays. This is the first video in a weekly series where we're going to show you what Android gaming looks like on our Tegra 4 powered Project Shield. Today we're at the Nth Street Cafe where we're going to get our boxing on. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is what the real boxing start screen looks like, and you can choose your characters, figure out who you want your opponent to be, who you want to play as, and you get 20 different characters to choose from, each with their own unique fighting style, strengths, weaknesses, all that good stuff. And you're playing through an extensive career mode where you can build your character's skills by playing mini games like skipping rope or working the speed bag and perfecting your timing, or just hop right into the ring and get into the action. As we're going into this, you'll notice that we get buttery smooth performance. You get high frame rates, you get enhanced textures, you get increased polygon counts, smoother animations, and you add on top of that some specular lighting and some true depth of field, and that all adds up to a really immersive boxing game. Of course, all made possible by the Tegra 4 quad-core processor and its custom 72-core GPU. So as we're playing, notice that these moves, they look real, right? And that's not by accident, because the guys at Vivid Games, they spent some time to motion capture real boxing moves. So real boxing will be coming to your Tegra 4 tablet, to your Tegra 4 smartphone in the near future, but if you want to take your gaming to the next level, you're really going to want to pick up Project Shield. What you get with Project Shield are these analog joysticks you see here, these dedicated control buttons, and shoulder-mounted triggers, right? And what these guys allow you to do is use your left joystick for juking, for jiving. You can block with your shoulder-mounted triggers, and these hardware buttons make it really easy to swing your left hook, your right hook. So with these realistic boxing mechanics, you can play them on your Tegra 4 tablet, on your Tegra 4 smartphone, but Project Shield makes them much more intuitive. So that was a quick look at real boxing on Project Shield. Make sure to tune in next week for another installment of Android Thursdays, and catch us on Mondays for PC gaming. Follow us on Twitter @NVIDIA, and catch us on Facebook at facebook.com/NVIDIA.